Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create shipping labels in your Shopify store. Creating shipping labels directly from Shopify helps streamline the fulfillment process, making shipping faster and more efficient. Let's walk through it together. On your Shopify dashboard, we need to go to the Orders section. You can find Orders in the upper left part of the screen. Once we're there, just click on Orders. If we don't have a plan set up yet, we won't be able to see any orders. To set up the option to create shipping labels, we need to go to Settings first. In Settings, go to Shipping and Delivery. Once we're in Shipping and Delivery, we will see Shipping Rates. Here, we need to set up the calculation of rates. This needs to be done before we can move forward. Once that's done, just click Save. Now we can go back to Orders. Let's use an example order to show how this works. Here is an order we can use. Just click on an unfulfilled or fulfilled paid order. Once we click on it, we'll be taken to this page where we can create a shipping label. Click that button and we can print the label and send it to the customer. And that's how we create a shipping label in Shopify. Using this feature saves time and keeps our order fulfillment organized.